sushi. It's so pretty. Say thank you, Mimi and Papa.
Thank you, Mimi and Papa.
Oh my goodness. Cowgirl. That is so cute, Lila. Look, it's a cowgirl. I love that. That is too cute. Oh my god, you can make that today with Santa.
What is it? Let me see.
Oh look, it's a ranch. That is so cool. It's from the ranch they went to. Look. Parade Rest Guest Room. What's in there? What is that? Jewelry. I think those are for Mommy. Ooh, those are pretty. They're gorgeous.
Mommy, you can put them in the hand.
Oh, okay.
You got one more in there,
You got
Lila?
one more in there?
In the bag.
In the suitcase.
No, that's the card.
Give me the card. Do you love all your presents? Say thank you for all my presents.
Thank you for all my presents.
I love you.
The other pad. Look, Mommy.